Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez announced that starting June 26, the use of the mask outdoors will not be mandatory. According to Sanchez, the proposal will be studied next Thursday on June 24th in an extraordinary Council of Ministers meeting. The plan is for measure to take effect after 48 hours. The proposal comes at a time when more than 22 million people, the equivalent of 47.1% of the Spain's population, have received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine. According to the latest data provided by the Health Ministry. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed.
China is taking a big leap forward with a plan to build its own space station. China launched the first astronauts to its orbiting space station on Thursday. That's the core building block of a station that China wants to have up and running by December next year. The 3 astronauts will spend 3 months in orbit, a new record for China's space program. During their mission, they'll conduct 2 spacewalks and install new equipment at the module.
Russian President Vladimir Putin praised US President Joe Biden on Thursday, describing him as, I quote, professional who is completely knowledgeable on all issues. That's according to a Kremlin transcript on Putin's televised remark on Thursday. Putin's comment come in the aftermath of his 3-hour summit with President Biden on Wednesday in Geneva. The Russian president's praise was striking in part because Russia had criticized Biden as mentally unstable during the 2020 elections. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.